Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix Mac not joining iPhone Hotspot automatically in macOS Tahoe and iOS 26. In iOS 26 and macOS Tahoe 26, your Mac automatically connects to your iPhone Hotspot whenever Wi-Fi is unavailable. Recently, many users have reported that their Mac is unable to auto-join the iPhone Hotspot. If this issue has cropped up on your device as well, don't worry at all. I have got you fully covered with quick fixes. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, ensure that your Mac and iPhone are connected to the same Apple ID. Just tap on the Apple ID banner in the Settings app to check the Apple ID that you are currently using. After that, open the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, choose Wi-Fi. Then you have to scroll down to the Ask to Join Hotspot section and click on the drop-down menu located next to it. Then you have to choose the automatic option in the menu. Then you have to restart your Mac. And then you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on the cellular option. Then you have to disable the toggle for cellular data and wait for a few seconds. And then you have to re-enable this toggle. After that, you have to tap on the personal hotspot and ensure that the toggle for allow others to join option is active. Then you have to go to the Wi-Fi section and scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Auto Join Hotspot option. And finally, you have to select the automatic option in the menu. And then you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has rebooted, go to the Wi-Fi menu on your Mac and voila! Your Mac should already be connected to your iPhone hotspot provided Wi-Fi is unavailable on your device, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix Mac not auto-joining iPhone hotspot in iOS 26 and macOS Tahoe 26 or later. Hopefully, you have managed to fix this annoying problem, and now your Mac is able to join your iPhone hotspot without any glitches at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.